Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Happy New Year stamp set. Now, this is a 4x6 clear stamp set. You're going to get 12 stamps included with this, your two sentiments, and then that large scripty Happy New Year stamp, two stems for your champagne glass, which measure 3 inches high on the tallest one, and then about 2 1/8 of an inch on that shorter one. Snap Pop Fizz for some fun little detail words. And then to the bottom right, you're going to get some bubbles that go across the top of the Happy New Year. And the very bottom is a solid stamp. And then the top there is actually outlined. So you have some options if you maybe want to do some coloring. And then to the far left there, you're going to get some little tiny detail fizzies to add some fun touches to your cards. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stamp this out with you guys. I'm just using a gray and pink ink so you can see the details in that Happy New Year. I think it is such a beautiful stamp. It has so much detail on it with the stars and the little extra flourishes on it. It's just so pretty. And it stamps and embossed so beautifully. I actually have a sample that I'm going to share with you in just a few seconds. And I just heat embossed the whole thing. So what I did was I heat embossed the stem with a navy embossing powder. And then the Happy New Year and the bubbles across the top, I actually used a gold pearl embossing powder, which is really close to a champagne color. And it turned out so pretty. So this is great for quick and simple cards. Here you can see that sample. Now, I want you to check out the video I have linked at the end of this one because I'm sharing a couple of different ways for you to take this stamp set and use it for something other than New Year's. I have a congratulations card and a Valentine's card to share with you in the video. And like I said, you'll find it linked at the end of this video. Now, for more information or inspiration on this stamp set, you can check us out on Instagram. Be sure you're checking us out in our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. And be sure to share your projects with us there as well. We really appreciate you taking the time to join us, and we hope you have an amazing day.